The Ministry of Defence Government of India has issued a critical advisory. All media channels, digital platforms, and individuals must refrain from live coverage or real time reporting of defense operations and security forces movements. Disclosing sensitive or source based information risks jeopardizing operational effectiveness and endangering lives. History serves as a stark reminder. Incidents like the Kargil War, 2611 attacks, and Kandahar hijacking highlight the perils of premature reporting. As per Clause 6(1)(p) of the Cable Television Networks Amendment Rules 2021, only periodic briefings by designated officials are permitted during anti-terror operations. The ministry urges all stakeholders to exercise vigilance, sensitivity, and responsibility in their coverage, upholding the highest standards of journalism to protect our security forces and serve the nation.